Alright, we're still in the first hive here, so I pull the super off. I want to get that formic acid strip or two that I have in there. There's a better way to do this. Alright, slide it back this way so it doesn't fall over the edge. I'm going to smoke them a little bit. Just because it's cold outside does not mean these bees won't sting you or get upset. They will. I can smell that goldenrod. Alright. These guys a little, ain't much. I'm gonna slide that right there. I don't typically do much anyway. Alright. Alright. I'm going to take that propolis trap with me. There we go. Let me unfold this. Yep. Let's see. This has got a little bit in there. Let me. Every hive needs at least one of those. I'll probably need to get some strips of swiffer sheet strips. Slide them in there. Feel like wind picking up. I can probably slide one of these. All right, this is a single deep right here. It's my second hive that I work on today in here. Don't remember many details other than